The flood that hit us, if I show you in the district Nowshera, there are almost 47 union councils. And among these 47 union councils, 14 union councils are near the riverside, out of which the damage is approximately 70 to 80%. Damages contain civil works, roads, infrastructure, water and sanitation facilities have also been damaged. If you look into Charsada, the damages are not as much as Nowshera. However, out of its 49 union councils, in 7 to 8 union councils, the damage has been 90 to 100%. Now some affectees are reverting back to Nowshera and Charsada. However, the situation is still deteriorated and a lot needs to be done in the infrastructure, water sanitation, water supply, education, health and livestock. Seeds are much needed, proper water channels are required to be made. As the social fabric of the society has been damaged, so it's the need of the hour that it gets restored as soon as possible.
मूरत टीवी के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए ताकि आपको हमारी हर नई आने वाली एपिसोड फौरी मिल सके।